Hello, welcome to Ollie's Garage. Today I'll be replacing the engine crankcase valve grommet. This grommet is located on the top of the engine, right underneath this valve right here, and is another common place for oil to start leaking. As you can see on my vehicle, there's oil leaking from it by the signs of the oil on the back side of the valve cover, as well as around this grommet. This is an extremely simple repair and also a rather inexpensive part, so we'll be replacing it today. The tools and parts required for this repair are the grommet and a flat blade screwdriver. First, take your screwdriver, loosen this hose clamp. After you've loosened the hose clamp, squeeze in on the tab on the top and the bottom and carefully pull out this little hose. And set it aside. Now, carefully pry up on this PCV. So this slides into it and has a little nub on it, so it's kind of hard to pull out. That's why we completely disconnected this hose. It's difficult and you don't want to break it, and this is also in here, so you can't really twist it. I cleaned everything around here, so grab a screwdriver and pry this out. Grab a clean paper towel and clean any remaining crud away. Installation of the new grommet is very simple. Just slide it in and press it in there. I like to twist it around a little bit to make sure that it's seated fully. If you look at the original grommet, you can actually see right there that it wasn't seated fully, and I'm sure that contributed to the leak. With the grommet replaced, installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure the hose is turned up and hold the hose clamp and carefully slide it in. And reattach this hose. And then snug up the hose clamp. It doesn't have to be extremely tight, it's just holding a plastic hose onto a plastic piece. Now you can congratulate yourself on having replaced another piece and fixed another oil leak.
Thanks for watching another episode of Ollie's Garage. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more.